Where's my truck gone? Can you help me find it in the ball pit? It's aqua colored. Let's go!
Blue car.
1,
Gray car.
2,
White car.
3,
Purple car.
4,
Dark blue car.
5. Great job so far, but none of them have been an aqua truck. It's gotta be here somewhere.
Silver car.
6,
Yellow car.
7,
Light blue car.
8,
Red fire engine.
9. It's gotta be here somewhere. I bet we're really close.
Aqua truck.
10. Here it is. Thanks a lot for helping me find it. Way to go, team! Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos.